guys, and welcome back to the channel. Listen, today I've got another great maths game for you to help your child practice and learn place value and addition. Now, if this is the first time you're here, my name is Mr. K. My channel is specifically geared towards talking about anything that can improve learning outcomes for students or children. So if that sounds like something you're interested in, please do me a favor and hit the subscribe button down below, and also hit that notifications bell so that anytime I upload a video, you'll be notified. Excellent. Listen, we've got a bit to get through, so let's get into it. Let's learn, share, and teach. Okay, so today's game is called Buster, and like I said before, it's a great game to practice students' knowledge of place value and also addition. Now, this specific version I'm going to show you today is really aimed towards 7, 8, 9-year-olds, because we're working up to the number of 1,000. But stick around for after the how to play the game section of this video, because we're going to actually talk about some possible variations that you could do to customize it towards other children's learning needs. Okay, excellent. So let's get into it. Let's learn how to play this game. Okay, so let's get onto this game. Now, the one thing you'll have to have is something like a board like this, which is ruled up like a tic-tac-toe board and has spaces big enough to put cards down into. I've made one here for Hannah and one for myself. Now, you've also got a deck of cards. Now, this deck of cards has got all the face cards taken out, so there's no kings, queens, or jacks, and there's no jokers, and also the tens have been taken out as well. Now, the idea or the aim of the game is for the player with these cards to construct a number that doesn't go over 1,000. If they do, well, they bust. So let's see how the game runs. So Hannah picks up a card. She's got a 3. She might put it up into that position. I get a 1, and I'll put it into that position. But you don't have to go for that position. It could be any position on your board. Hannah picks a 6. She's going to put it here. Then I grab another one. I've got a 2. I'm going to put that there. Hannah picks up a 3 and she'll put that there. Then I pick up this card and I'm going to put that here. Hannah picks up an 8 and she's going to put that one there. So 6 plus 8 so far, that lines up to 14. And I pick up this card, it's a 5, so I'm going to put that card there. Hannah picks up another one, she's got a 6, and she's going to add that, put that there. So far she's got 9 there in that line. Then I've got a 2, so I'm going to put that here with this. So I've got 1, so that's 6, that's 8. Okay, that's okay. Then Hannah picks up another one. She's got a 4 and she's going to put it into this line here. Then I pick up another card. I've got a 2 and I'm going to put it into this line here, or column. Hannah's got that one, so she's going to put it into this column here. And I've got this one, which I'll put into here. And then Hannah's got this card, so she'll put it in here. Then I'll pick out this card and I'll put it into this one. And Hannah finally gets this card and she'll put that into there. And I've got this card and I'll put that into here. Now, what happens now is that each column is added up for each player. And the idea is that they don't go above the value of 1,000. So let's add up these ones. That's 2 plus 5 is 9. Then I've got 1, 6, 8. And for this one, I've got 8. So I've made the number 889. And Hannah's got 1 plus 6 is 7, which is 16. So we carry the 1 across. And we've got 2 plus 1 is 3, 9, 12. So we put that one there. We carry another 1 across. 3 plus 4, 9 plus 1. Oh! Anna busted. She went above 1,000. So the winner would be the person who doesn't bust and has the highest number closest to 1,000, which in this case was me. And of course, anyone who busts is out of the game as well and doesn't win. Okay, so there was the game, and we're going to now talk about some variations possibly that you could do to change it for different children's learning needs. One idea is possibly to change how many different digits you'll need to make the number. So for example, instead of going for, up to hundreds in this variation I've showed you, you could go up to, thousands, tens of thousands, hundreds of thousands. But on the flip side of that, you could maybe make it a decimal, or you could even go ahead and try it with fractions. Well, that's a little bit out of the box as well. So there are a couple of ideas on some variations that you could possibly try. Listen, if you've got any ideas or have got different variations of this game, please do me a favor and everyone else in the community by putting some comments in the comments section of this video. That'd be greatly appreciated to help everyone. Excellent. Okay, great. Well, listen, thanks for tuning in today. Stick around for a little bit longer because towards the end of this video, which is coming up very soon, there will be a link to my Maths Games playlist, which is always growing, and there's quite a lot of resources there. So maybe if today's game wasn't for you, I'm pretty sure you'll find something in my playlist that will suit you perfectly or your child's learning needs perfectly. Excellent. Thanks for tuning in. Bye! Thanks for watching one of my videos. If you've enjoyed the content or you just want to show your support, please just click the subscribe button down below. You hitting the subscribe button lets me know that you'd like to see more content from me. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Subscribe.